Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best blenders for hot and cold liquids in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Oster Pro 1200 blender for hot liquids. Oster may not be as popular as Vitamix or Ninja, but the company is also gaining widespread popularity for always producing high-quality appliances like the Oster Pro 1200. A great way to make hot liquids in a blender is this Oster Pro 1200, one of the best blenders for soup and sauces. The blender features a 1200-watt powerful motor that combines well with dual-directional blades that help avoid jams. Its 1200-watt motor is one of the most powerful motors you can get your hands on at the moment. Oster may not be as popular as the top brands in the industry, but this powerful blender has further taken them closer to the top guns in the industry. A lot of people love it when their blender comes with food processor attachments, and that's what you'll get when you invest in this Oster blender. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vitamix 5200 blender for hot liquids. Vitamix is a global blender manufacturer, and the fact that the brand has been in the game for almost 100 years shows just how credible it is and has been over the years. The Vitamix 5200 is one of the company's best products, and its ability to heat soups and other liquids by friction makes it a great option for many. Thanks to its durable motor that comes with a radial cooling fan, long-lasting performance is guaranteed, and its other features like variable speed control and self-cleaning mode perfectly justify the high price tag. One of the most likable things about this blender is the fact that it has powerful blades that can spin very fast to heat up soup from heat friction. Apart from the friction created by the blades are also powerful enough to cut through hard ingredients like frozen fruits, hard fruits and veggies, crushing ice, and many more. The blender also comes with a BPA-free pitcher to give you the confidence you need that your health is guaranteed because the pitcher will not bring you any harm. The pitcher is also designed to swirl mixtures towards the blades to help provide great results at the end of the day. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Breville BSB 510 XL Professional Blender. People don't always think immersion blenders are great when it comes to mixing hot liquids, but have they seen this Breville blender yet? The Immersion blender is a great choice for those who are looking to avoid investing in high-performance blenders that have proved to be difficult to own by those who don't have a large kitchen space. Its one-touch precise control is a great feature, and it's safe to say that the blender is worth every penny. Everyone loves an appliance that is very easy to operate, and that's what you'll get when you invest in this Breville blender. The ergonomic soft touch handle is what makes this Breville blender stand out amongst other immersion blenders on the market. You have the option to choose between 15 variable speeds to fit your needs. Every ingredient needs a special variable speed, and that's what this blender offers. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.